current pandemic has brought about severe negative impacts to the economy of the country. In 2020, estimates for a best-case scenario for the Philippine economy is to lose 0.2% of its total GDP, which would amount to 33.89 billion pesos in losses. Approximately more than 87,000 could lose their jobs based on Philippine economic outlook in 2020. With the government imposing series of lockdowns, up to this year, movements had been limited and economic activities have been affected. Research-based solution towards minimizing such impacts is necessary. The spread of the virus is mainly from person to person. Infections from one person to another are related to activities that people do, such as obtaining essential needs, going to work, and other economic-related activities. These activities are associated with making trips, the mode they used, where they go, as well as their characteristics and related economic activities. The overall objective of Project ACTS is to develop a decision support system that would allow local governments in the Philippines to manage current and future pandemics, while allowing economic activities to continue. This project includes modeling of activity travel behavior of people, considering determinants related to their socio-economic characteristics and travel patterns. Data collected from the households through survey can be used to develop models for travel behavior, such as the mode, destination, and route choices of people. The combination of simulation and optimization-based modeling system will be developed for analyzing the impacts of proposed transportation-related solutions. The project implementation resulted to the attainment of the following 5 P's. First is product, the ACTS software. Second is patent, which is the copyright for ACTS software. Third is partnership. Fourth is the people. Last is the publication. For the product, the detailed architecture for the development of ACTS software is divided into 2 main parts. First is the ACTS UI, which contains all the visual components of the application. This includes the user inputs, controls, embedded map, and path overlay. These components are what users would be interacting with. Second is the ACTS core, which contains all the processing and back-end components of the application. This includes file processing, model execution, and map boundary downloading. The ACTS software prototype has been completely developed by the software development team, integrating some of the feasible recommended comments after the ACTS training in Batasan Hills, Quezon City. The project team has coordinated with Kagawad Mari Carmanguin for the signing of collaboration agreement between Project ACTS from UPLB and Barangay Batasan Hills. The signing happened in the conference hall of Barangay Batasan Hills with the presence of Honorable John Abad, BRGY. Captain, Kagawad Mari Carmanguin, Kagawad Rule de la Rosa, Dr. Bernadette Lim, Project ACTS leader, and the Project ACTS team. 3 research papers were drafted and submitted for publication in the Central Mindanao University Journal and Science. After the assessment and review, the first 2 papers were both accepted for publication, while the other one is still under peer review process. Output from the project can help utilize the existing information of community to model and prepare for future pandemic. The system developed here will help link the authorities and the people in working together in solving health-related and transportation-related problems, focusing on the last-mile mobility needs. Developing of management plan at the level of the barangay and the city that will result from the research will help engage and allow them to collaborate. The model and software that has been developed under this project is now utilized and piloted by the cooperating agency. This jump-started the utilization of this product by other LGU in the Philippines. If proven effective, this may lead to its commercialization, more effective management to reduce future-related risks while reducing the economic risks due to pandemic. Also, planning for last-mile mobility needs of the community can be assisted by the decision support system developed through this project.